up with hand washing? Keep your clothes fresh with the right machine and detergent. Save time and energy with the efficient, low-consumption Ramtons Twin Tub Washing Machine and Persil Washing Machine Powder. Setting it up is simple. Connect your new Ramtons washing machine to the tap of running water. Set it to wash. Turn your tap on to release the water into the tub. Measure out Persil washing machine powder as per your requirement. Set your wash timer for a few seconds to properly mix the water with your Persil detergent. Now you can add your clothes. If it's a full load, adjust to heavy. Set your wash time based on your load and type of clothes. Set to drain the water. The drain pipe is attached to the bottom of your Ramtons machine. You may guide the water to a sink or tub for reuse or even outdoors. Now repeat the wash process to wash off the detergent residue from the clothes. Time to air dry. Add your damp clothes into the Ramtons air dry basket. Ensure it's not overloaded. Change the setting from wash to spin. Adjust the spin timer based on the type of clothes. Ensure to drain any excess water from the air dry basket. With Ramtons and Persil, your clothes get clean and fresh in no time and at an affordable price. The Twin Tub is portable and efficient just for you.